Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Trading Mentality video. And in today's video, I want to actually make this video whereby I can give you guys tangible steps that you can actually use to improve your trading mentality, okay? Now, one of the things that I do see quite often as well, of course you guys see this as well, is that through YouTube you can see advertisements or advertising of courses or different kind of communities or ways to improve your mindset, etc. But even you can read books as well on how to improve your mindset. But at the end of the day, all this is consuming content, and that's the reality. So the reality is that you can either consume the content of these courses or books, etc, but it's not really going to help your mentality, right? Unless you actually move away from trying to be motivated by consuming these content versus realizing the reality and being disciplined with what you do and how your mentality should be when it comes to trading. Okay, so in this video I genuinely just want to make this a free video. I could make this a course very easily, but I think trading mentality is something that people definitely do struggle with, and I think that in this video I would definitely help you to actually overcome this. Okay, so I know for a fact that every single person watching this will have different issues when it comes to trading. Okay, I know some people watching this might be revenge trading and being greedy. Others might be not trading enough. They might see these great setups that they've backtested but have fear of getting involved. Other people might be very lazy in backtesting. Others might have just been joining trading, right? Again, completely fine. Welcome to the trading industry if you are new. But again, this video, I want you guys to understand how can you actually shift your mentality of, okay, well, consuming all these courses, reading books, etc to help it and trying to find the motivation within it because someone else has done it, versus and towards, okay, I'm a disciplined trader, I'm the perfect trader, I'm the best trader in the world, and I act and do what the best trader in the world does. Okay, so one of the things I want you guys to understand is that because I said each and every individual watching this will have their different issues with trading, I want you guys to design what the perfect trader would be. Okay, so imagine if you yourself watching this out there, you were the perfect trader. Okay, so say for example you knew you were making 20% every month, right? I want you guys to write at least between 10 to 15 points of what you would do yourself to be that perfect trader. So say for example you're lazy in backtesting, you would write that, okay, well, my perfect trader, he wouldn't be lazy in backtesting. He's the perfect trader. He would backtest every day because he knows that sharpening his skill is absolutely essential when it comes to trading the live markets, right? So that can be point number one. Point number two is, for example, if you're an over trader, right? If you're taking many trades after taking a loss or a couple of losses, you would say that, okay, well, I know that my perfect trader had this weakness in the past of over trading, but because he's the perfect trader, he would walk away as soon as he takes one loss or two loss for the session, for example. Okay, so this is what I want you guys to do, is to understand that the perfect trader is very unique to you as an individual. Okay, so write these different 10 to 15 things down, and you yourself have to do some self-reflection here and understand what are your weaknesses. What is it about you that is not becoming or being or existing in this reality of the world as the perfect trader? Why are you not consistent? Why do you not have XYZ account? Why do you not have XYZ percentage profit every month? Okay, and write this and understand what is it about it. And remember guys, it doesn't have to be emotionally based. Even if you say, for example, even if you are a lazy backtester and you just want to be a bit more comfortable and say in this list that you don't really want to backtest, so you're not going to even mention it in the list, this has to be completely objective. This list genuinely has to target and say everything of the possible issues that can arise with you. So for example, I know that people are very busy, for example, watching this. They might have jobs and then obviously wife, kids, etc to look after. So again, when it comes to that, you can say something like, okay, well, even though my perfect trader lives such a busy lifestyle, he finds a way to trade in the time when he's not either at the job or taking care of his wife and kids. He would backtest either in the morning or the evening. He would live trade during the night for some period of time because again, he's the perfect trader and he's absolutely dedicated to getting those profits and making sure he's a great trader, for example. Okay, so again, like I said, in order to actually and genuinely improve your trading mentality is to understand that the perfect trader is very unique to you, and this person needs to be designed. So you need to write 10 to 15 characteristics that this perfect trader does that you currently do not do, and write an action, a genuine action that the perfect trader would do. Okay, so say for example, and don't forget something like this, I'll give you another example, right? The perfect trader could be having a 400k FTMO account, right? For example. But again, that is a goal, right? That's a longer term goal. But in order to achieve that, of course, you need to take the challenges and pass, right? Now, if you've got £2,000 or £2,000, or probably more than that in dollars or whatever it is, lying around to actually go for the challenge, again, I understand that. But again, before the perfect trader would even go for the challenge, the perfect trader would understand, hey, consistency needs to be proved before the challenge, because if consistency is not proved, then what are the odds of passing the challenge? It's not very likely, right? Therefore, if you have a goal of having a 400k FTMO, the perfect trader would understand consistency is the target, so he would prove to himself that he's consistent within the first month or second month of trading. For example, again, you can have many different examples, but like I said, in order to improve your trading mentality, go out, create this list, and understand what does the perfect trader do, and abide by this list, because the perfect trader does that, okay? So again, like I said, in the beginning of this video, this is just going to be a quick, simple video, but very effective to help you guys to understand that even though you guys do want to be the best traders, consistently profitable traders, possibly even be on the FTMO leaderboard or leaderboards of highest profits one day, fine, whatever the goal it may be, in order to do that, you have to understand your weakness, rather than the consuming different content of reading books and watching videos on other people doing it and listening to other people's stories. It is genuinely you and this perfect trader that you've created through this list of 10 to 15 different things, okay? So remember that, create this list, understand what is it that this perfect trader does that you could possibly be, and go out and be that perfect trader, okay? So take it, guys. I hope you have a fantastic trading week, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Peace.